Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Vernay and this is Voguish Beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look by using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. Stay tuned and keep watching. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Juvia's Place Warriors palette. Really excited about this because it took me forever to get my hands on it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm going to go through the list of the names. The first one is Amina. Then there's Idea or Idea. Oh my god, that one's gorgeous. Then there's Mino or Minnow. Then there is a Hosai or a Hosi. Then there is Moremi. Kano. I'm not the best at doing this whole swatch thing. Dahomey. Bakwa. And Benin or Benin. Okay, so I'm not the best swatcher. I'm sorry. I do apologize. But let's see what eye look I'm going to create. I'm probably going to do something really simple because I'm about to have to go to work, unfortunately. So I'm going to just take my primer. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay primering potion or primer potion. Yeah, Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. This is one of the ones that I use often. I kind of want to do something like more on the gold side, so I'm just going to use Kano. You just want to do windshield wiper motions back and forth until it is evenly blended. You don't want any harsh lines. I'm going to take this shade here and I'm just going to go into my outer corner with it. Because for today I just want this look to be very like natural looking. I'm going to go in with this guy here, the Morima. I'm not even going to try to pronounce things anymore. Ooh, I just digged really deep into that. And just for a little bit more pigment, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray and I'm going to spray it. So I'm going to go back in with the deeper shade and kind of buff it out. And I'm going to also take a little bit of Minnow just to give it a little bit more depth because it didn't have as much depth as I thought it would have. And then I'm gonna go back into my crease with my transition color and just blend everything out. And there you guys have it. Really simple, really pretty, not that long of a makeup tutorial. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. So I'm going to take, I really like this foundation. This is the CoverFX Power Play. I do have a little bit of like concealer and stuff on, but I'm just gonna put some of this on top of it. I'm actually gonna use my fingers, which I never do because I think it's a little gross, but this application with your fingers is like amazing. And then of course I am going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it out, and I'm gonna kind of just cut my eye. Now, if you guys stay tuned for my next video, I am gonna do a more in-depth look with this palette. I just wanted to do something really quick just before going to work, and I did not want to not film and not have another video to post for the week. So this one was a little rushed, I can't lie, but I think the eye look, it's very like achievable to do, especially if you don't have a lot of time. So of course I am going to use my Laura Mercier Candle Glow setting powder. You guys know I love this stuff. And look how cute this brush is. I'm almost out of this powder and it's always sold out, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. So going in with my soft focus, this one is, what color is this one? This one is not the usual one that I use. This is not Golden Almond, but I really do like all of them. I don't have the deepest one yet, but I might get that one just for when I'm not gonna do like an extreme highlight. Then I go in with my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Bronzer. And then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place, the Saharan Volume 1 palette, and I'm gonna just take Toby. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution highlighter with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is the highlighter that I'm using today. It's called Candy Glow from the Makeup Revolution London Pearl Lights Loose Highlighter. Not as much glow as Trophy Wife, but still pretty. And then of course, you know, I'm gonna take Trophy Wife. Don't mind my messy Fenty Beauty. So I'm gonna take Trophy Wife and just layer it on top because then it says something to me. Ooh, that's a lot. But I don't care. I like my nose to look a little longer than what it is. That's why I put so much highlight on my nose, if you guys ever noticed that. So I'm gonna put on some mascara so I can put on my lashes, and then I'm gonna do my lip. And that will conclude this Juvia's Place Warrior Palette tutorial. I feel like this is a very natural eye, and it's like easy to recreate. You know, you can probably do this in like 2 to 3 minutes, because that's what I just did. So I'm just gonna put glue on my lashes. These lashes are lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. The brand is called Iconic, and oh my god, they are thebond.com. Everyone thinks they're like mink lashes or something, but I only paid $5 for them. So yeah, get you some. So I like to put glue on my lashes because I feel like lashes can take a really long time to put on. That's why I never put them on camera, because literally it's a struggle. Like, and you never know if it's gonna be a good lash day or it's gonna go to sugar honey iced tea. So you want to make sure that your lashes have enough glue, not too much glue, but enough, and that they are nice and talky or tacky. Not talky, what the fuck? They're nice and tacky, and you don't overdo it on the glue. Let's hope that this is going to be a good lash day. So while they are doing their thing, I'm going to be doing other things. So I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the Lancome Excessive Black Noir mascara. It's travel size, so it's nice and easy and cute, and take it on an airplane. I have no lashes, so yeah. It doesn't really take me too long to put on mascara. You kind of want to like vibrate it through there so I can get every little lash that there is. Like I said, I have none, so. And then I go on the bottom. Ooh. This, I actually kind of like it without lashes. You know what? I'm gonna actually skip the lashes. I'm really surprised that I really like this mascara. Oh my god. I like the simple one. Ugh. I like the simple. I like the slim. I like the slim. I like the simplicity of this. So we're gonna go with it. Okay. No lashes. So I'm just gonna have to peel that glue off later, and I'll just wear them tomorrow. So I'm gonna take my NARS lipstick. It's the Power Matte lip pigment called Done It Again, and I'm just gonna use this to kind of line my lips. should just use a lip liner. I'm gonna have to clean this up. It's called Slay Tan, and I must say I love this color. Like, I bought it like right after I swatched it. It's by Smashbox. I really like their liquid lipsticks too. Oh my god, I love it. I love this lip. I'm taking NYX Downtown Beauty. OMG, ladies. I really like this look. So that concludes today's tutorial, I believe. Oh wait. So that concludes today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. And most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.